how to give your product a brand refresh so that it goes from basic to brilliant.
There are 3 steps we follow. Step 1 is discovery, where we understand all about your business and goals, like what makes you different, who are your 3 biggest competitors, who are your target audience, and why should they choose you over your competitors. We then ask you to move these brand personality sliders so that you can tell us how you want your brand to be perceived. Step 2 is strategy, where we lay out the direction on how your brand should look, act, and sound like. First, we take your product and position it to attract a particular audience who connects with your brand story, and that story emotes with a unique personality which then gets applied back to your product. And that's what makes up your brand. So in the case of our client, their name is Ziollo, and they make RV roof care products so that your roof doesn't leak when you go camping. The problem was that their products were overcrowded with information, did not look premium, and had a hard time standing out online. That's why they came to us to do a brand refresh. The audience they were targeting are men who like to do things themselves, DIYers. They're all about getting things done, free-spirited, and adventure-loving. The brand story is one of nostalgia. These guys long for the good old days when life was carefree and they could kick back with their friends and family and enjoy camping without worrying about leaks to their RV. Let the good times roll. The brand personality is that of the jester. It's a brand that doesn't take itself too seriously. The brand is playful, but also knowledgeable and approachable. Now we have the framework in place, let's put together 3 mood boards on how the brand could look and feel. The first mood board invites the bold, tough, and adventurous. The second mood board is more whimsical and captures the essence of being lighthearted, fun, and expressive. The third mood board reflects a more dynamic with more modern typography and design. The client liked the first 2 mood boards, so we decided to create logo design concepts based on that. Now we're on to step 3, the design phase. For logo concept 1, the design was inspired by the beveled windows of an RV trailer. The color palette was warm and inspired by the southwestern sunset. For logo concept 2, the design was inspired by the parallel lines you see on the open road, as well as the retro vinyl line wraps you see on old-fashioned trailers. The color palette was warm and approachable, with a design that wraps around their products. For Moodboard 2, logo concept 3 was more striking and with a modern logo type, with bold colors of red, black, and Havelock blue. We also created a concept 3B showing the beveled window logo in the same color palette. Based on these initial logo concepts, the client preferred the ones with the parallel lines, but wanted to explore different color combinations. So we explored different color combinations that had a retro nostalgic vibe, and showed how those colors would come across in their various SKUs of products. We even compared how their packaging would look next to their competitors. No doubt, the new packaging design would pop both on shelf and online. The client went with the green, yellow, and orange look for the final design. We created a friendly retro mascot called Ziollo that would guide users across the customer journey through various touchpoints, from their website to their digital marketing. What you're seeing right now is called the brand expression, but that would not have been possible without the brand strategy. Branding is the process of manufacturing meaning, and design is how you convey that meaning and build a robust and cohesive brand.